Adriana, and this is Cooking with Adriana. On today's show, we will be making Crescent Mummy Dogs. This is a great Halloween snack or lunch meal to make with the entire family. For today's recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 1 can of refrigerated Crescent Rolls, 2½ slices of American cheese, 10 hot dogs, cooking spray, and mustard and ketchup if desired. Don't forget, adult supervision is required. Okay, let's begin. First, ask an adult to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Unroll dough. Separate at perforations. With knife, cut each rectangle lengthwise into 10 pieces. Now, cut cheese into quarters. Place a quarter slice of cheese on the hot dog. Then wrap 4 pieces of dough around each hot dog to look like bandages, stretching dough slightly to completely cover the hot dog. At about ½ inch from one end of each hot dog, separate the bandages so some of the hot dog shows through the face. On an ungreased baking sheet, place the wrapped dogs cheese side down and spray dough lightly with cooking spray. Bake about 13 to 17 minutes or until dough is lightly golden brown and hot dogs are hot. To add that Halloween touch, you can draw eye features on the face with mustard. And here we have the finished product, folks: Crescent Mummy Dogs. Thank you for joining me today with Cooking with Adriana. Until our next cooking adventure, stay connected, stay active, and stay engaged.